balling on a budget production.
We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed.
Guys, what's up? We're here at the yard. We're currently, well, my brother is currently cutting the steps to my other brother's truck. Oh, the black W9 that we mounted the bumper on. We've been mounting up the stacks, but to do that, we're using the Peterbilt elbows that go all the way down. And in order to do that, we have to cut the step to make it shorter. That way we can actually mount the elbows that go all the way down, because right now the step is in the way, so we have to cut it, move it. I think he's gonna cut it about 6 inches, bolt it back together, mount it up on the frame, and we should have all the clearance we need for the stack. That's the first step we gotta take to mounting the stacks. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that real quick. As you can see, he already took off the panel. They're going to be cutting it about 6 inches, which I believe is around here. That mark, you can see the mark. They'll be cut the whole thing. How's it going? Hey, what? My back hurts. Hopefully you guys can hear me. As you can see, we're not going to be using the Kenworth elbows that make all these damn curves. We're using the Peterbilt elbow, which is going to be going straight down and there. But in order to do so, we're going to have to cut. We're going to have to cut the step about right there, all the way down. Now, when we mount the stack, it'll go in, and we have clearance from the step. Because right now we won't. If you try to do it, it's gonna go straight into the step, which won't work. Yeah. All right, guys. So what we went ahead and did, or done, whatever. As you can see, we fucked shit up already. Let me cheat. We, or my brother's shit. That's where obviously you can see where the old one was. We took out a good chunk, which is laying over here. We just took it out right now. There it is. And who the hell's calling me? I don't know. Hold up, guys. Alright, guys, those scam people were calling me, trying to get my info. Anyways. I forgot where I left off. Yeah, that's where my brother cut it off. We gotta unbolt it. We gotta cut rivets off from. Oh shit! We could have cut those rivets off all along the side. So we just need this face piece. Once we get that off, we will be. Let me see what we're gonna be doing after we get the face off. We mount it up here. We mark all the holes, we drill all the holes out, put the new bolts in, and the face goes there, and ta-da, the step is short. And then the bracket, you can't even see because of the sun, my bad. Anyways, this bracket, take out those 2 bolts, You mount that to the face over there where it belongs. You mark the same shit, mark the holes, drill them out, and it should be good. Cut this big ass step. Hey. Anyways, yeah, after that, mount that up. That should be done. Cut the step here. Cut the face over here. And put it back together. Easier said than done. Alright guys, little update. Haven't done much. My brother drilled out the holes, and then we put the bolts in just so we can stay in place. That's where it's going. We gotta drill a couple more holes back there. I said hose. Anyways, yeah, and then 2 up on top. That's where we got the pliers there. And yeah, what all we've done so far was line everything up, make the holes and bolt it down and make sure it's where we want it. And yeah, you can see where the old step was over here, so we should have clearance for the stack once it comes down. Should have more than enough room. And as you can see, we didn't need an exhaust anyways, because now we can see it. All that shit, we're replacing all that. But yeah, alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see behind me, hold on, there you go. As you can see behind me, we done fucked shit up already. Forgot to record. I forget to record a lot because, yeah. Anyways, I forgot where we left off last time. I think we cut that step. We cut the little step, made it shorter. My brother at the moment is cutting the other side, the driver's side, which I hope you can hear me because he has a compressor on, so you can hear the machine, but or the grinder. He's chopping up the other step. Me and my other brother knocked down the old exhaust. I'm over here to show you that. It was shitty, yo. Alright guys, no more stack or stock exhaust. Gone. We gotta remove this bracket, but we'll do that in due time. Cut. It's dirty as hell where he couldn't reach behind the heat shield. Well, he's gonna have to clean it now. This is the old exhaust. It's really, really shitty. Tip to tip, nice and shiny. Check out this elbow though. Look at that shit. Look at it. It wasn't even holding on. As soon as I unbolted it, fell off. My brother is cutting the other step right now. Right here, as you can see the line where he's gonna cut it. All that's coming off. The line where he's cutting it again. This is already cut. And okay. Cool. So the only thing that's left to do is to cut this and the other cover and put everything together, and this step is done. Knock down this old exhaust and we'll be ready to start putting the new one on. Done. Knock down the old muffler. Gotta get that little bracket off. There he is, taking apart the Y. We already removed this bracket on the other side. Just gotta take that one off and we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and, where's the bracket? There's the bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and mount up the bracket right here, roughly, and drill the holes out and get it mounted up. Alright, finished drilling out the holes, mounted up the bracket. Here's gonna go. Still gotta take that bracket off. And you still need to take that. There's only one bolt holding it. And we drilled the hole out right there where it's gonna go. So we should be good. Woo! Alright guys. Haven't done much. I lined up the bracket. They're gonna go up against those rivets on the top of it. And marked the outline of the bracket. We measured the bracket of these holes for the bracket. We measured them up here, and there's 1 dot, 2 dot, and these should go there, which are gonna go about right there. Let's see how accurate this shit comes out. Because once I drill, I can't drill back. Yeah, I just gotta get the. Alright, let's make sure. One down. No? Not yet. Two holes. Forgot which one my thumbs. Bam, just like that.